Doug, come on, we're getting started.
Oh, okay, I'm here. Now, why did you want me specifically here today?
Well, because we're doing, hey kid, hey, we're doing My Daddy Snores, and there's actually a dinosaur in there.
Oh, I knew it. You'd be excited. Oh, I totally am.
Okay, shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay, you ready, kid? Yes? Okay, let's do this. My Daddy Snores. On Monday, Daddy Snore boomed like a roar, like a dinosaur's roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled. So, Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hugged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. Poor Mommy. On Tuesday, Daddy Snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of bed. Oh my gosh, everything's flying everywhere. That is one powerful snore. So she slept in the bathtub, but the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. Oof, Chinese water torture. On Wednesday, Daddy snored like a freight train. So, Mommy slept in Hemi's cage, but she was too squished, and it smelled funny. Wow, poor Mommy. Somebody get this woman an air mattress at least. On Thursday, Daddy snored like a bumblebee, so Mommy slept in the doghouse. Seems to me Daddy should be in the doghouse, if you know what I mean. Let's see here. But it seems poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead, very loudly. On Friday, Daddy Snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl. But even Daddy's bubble snored loudly. It wasn't fair to poor Splishy at all, I'd say. On Saturday, Daddy Snore honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But seems he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. Oh boy, nobody's sleeping around here. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. I have to say, this right here looks kind of like me in the mornings. Every morning. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy snoring. Looks like Mommy's taking a moment there to get a quick cat nap. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. The whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept. Until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks, I'd love more ice cream. The end of this poor woman. Oh my gosh. My Daddy Snores. What'd you think?
I love the dinosaur part. That was just the best part.
You mean the first page?
Yeah.
Alright, kid. Hope you enjoyed your KidTime StoryTime. And, by the way, if your mommy ever looks like the mommy in this picture, walk away. Walk away.
Subscribe.